Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is famous Indian street food Dahi Puri Chaat, which has a stuffing of boiled potato and a combination of sweet and tangy chutneys, save and finally curd dahi in a crispy puffed puri. Dahi puri can be easily prepared at home and it tastes delicious. Let's get started with the process. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. To prepare the potato filling, take a bowl, add boiled potato, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chilli powder, mash it nicely, add some chopped coriander and mix them well together. Arrange the puris on a plate. Make a hole in each puri with your finger. Fill it with the potato mixture in each puri. Top it up with finely chopped onion, drizzle mint and coriander chutney in each puri. Now add sweet tamarind chutney on the top. Pour the fresh and chilled curd in each puri. Use of fresh, homemade and chilled curd is necessary for the good taste of the dish. Finally, sprinkle save, coriander, and pomegranate seeds on top. Our dahi puri is ready now. Serve immediately. We can adjust the ingredients as per our taste. Enjoy this weekend by preparing this yummy dahi puri chaat with your loved ones and fulfill your chaat cravings. If you like the video, then please do hit the like button under my video and don't forget to share the video with your friends. See you guys soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.